What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering refers to the process of designing and creating conversational prompts for artificial intelligence systems. The goal of prompt engineering is to create conversational experiences that are both effective and enjoyable for users. This involves a deep understanding of language models, the development of effective conversational flows, and the creation of clear and concise prompts that help users achieve their goals. To become a successful prompt engineer, you'll need to have a deep understanding of the end user's needs and a creative approach to problem solving. You'll also need to have strong writing skills to create clear and concise prompts that are easy for users to understand and follow. In addition to these foundational skills, it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and language models to ensure that your prompts are effective and relevant. To gain hands-on experience in prompt engineering, you can start by building simple chatbots or virtual assistants, and gradually moving on to more complex projects. This will give you the opportunity to put your skills into practice and develop your understanding of AI and language models. As you work on these projects, be sure to pay close attention to the user experience and make changes as needed to improve the overall conversational flow. The demand for skilled prompt engineers is on the rise, with opportunities available in a variety of industries, including tech, finance, healthcare, and retail. As more and more companies adopt AI-powered applications, the need for experts who can design and create effective conversational experiences will continue to grow. If you're interested in pursuing a career in prompt engineering, consider taking online courses or tutorials to develop your skills, and look for opportunities to gain hands-on experience building chatbots or virtual assistants. In conclusion, prompt engineering is a challenging but rewarding field that offers plenty of opportunities for growth and development. With the increasing demand for AI-powered applications, the need for skilled prompt engineers is only going to continue to grow. If you have a passion for language and technology and a desire to create engaging and effective conversational experiences, consider starting your journey as a prompt engineer today.